You go to a shop and see flashy posters of sale everywhere. Some items have 20% discount, some have 30%, and some have 50% discount. Do you actually know how to calculate the discount? We'll learn that today. Let's assume you want to buy a book. So you go to the shop and check the price of the book. The price tag says 100 rupees. This is the marked price of the book. So the next day you are ready to purchase the book for 100 rupees. And when you come with this amount, you find that there is a 20% discount on the book. That means 20% of this 100 rupees is reduced from the original price. 20% of 100 rupees is 20 rupees. As a customer, this is the amount you actually save. So if that is reduced, you will have to pay only 80 rupees for the book. This is the actual selling price. So let's see what these three terms mean. Marked price or the original price is the price on the price tag of any product. Discount is the amount reduced from the marked price. And the selling price will be the price you actually pay for the product after reducing the discount. Now let's understand the formula relating these terms. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. We can also write this as discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Now, if you are given the discount percentage, then the discount percentage divided by 100 into the marked price will give the actual discount amount. From this formula, you can also write discount percentage is equal to discount divided by marked price into 100. Using this expression in place of the discount, we have discount percentage is also equal to marked price minus selling price divided by marked price into 100. From this, we can derive the formula for selling price and also marked price. But it is not necessary to by heart all these formula. It is enough if you know these three. Now let's solve some examples. A shopkeeper marks an item at rupees 1300 and gives a 20% discount. Find the selling price. Here, the marked price is rupees 1300 and the discount percentage is 20. There are two ways to solve the same question. In the first method, let's find out the discount amount, which is 20% of 1300, and that is 20 by 100 into 1300, which is 260 rupees. Now, the selling price will be the marked price minus this discount. So, 1300 minus 260 will give us 1040 rupees. Let's see an alternate method. The discount percentage is 20% of the marked price. So, the selling price will be the remaining 80% of the marked price, which is 80% of 1300. 80 by 100 into 1300 will give us rupees 1040. You can follow either one of these two methods. Next question. Find the discount percentage if an item priced at rupees 500 is sold for rupees 425. Here, the marked price is rupees 500 and the selling price is rupees 425. So, the discount is marked price minus selling price. 500 minus 425, which is 75 rupees. We are asked to find the discount percentage. So we have discount divided by marked price into 100. 75 divided by 500 into 100 will give us 15%. Next question. After giving a discount of 25%, the selling price of an article is rupees 900. Find the marked price. Here we are given the discount percentage is 25. So the selling price will be the remaining 75% of the marked price, and this selling price is given as 900 rupees. So we can say 75 divided by 100 into marked price is equal to 900. So marked price is equal to 900 into 100 by 75. That gives us rupees 1200. You could also use this formula we discussed earlier to find the marked price. So what we have is 100 into 900 divided by 100 minus 25. This also results in 1200.